Now, this is the all-new Range Rover Sport Hybrid. This is the 440e. It's a dynamic SE in Santorini Black. Beautiful. It's reversing. It's absolutely silent because it's now in its full electric mode, which gives you 69 miles from a full charge. This car's a 23, but it's got unbelievable extras. It's priced to sell. It's in Santorini, and let me just tell the extras on this car. There's one I noticed as soon as I got in the car, which I've never seen before on a dynamic SE. So the car's in Santorini Black. We've got full black exterior pack. We've got ebony leather inside. Now look at that roof lining. It's got the upgraded SV Alcantara roof lining. You normally only get that on an autobiography or a first edition. The car is a 23, like I said, 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover Assist. 440 horsepower, 3 litre petrol, but it's got the plug-in 69-mile electric mode, and it's a hybrid. Full black exterior pack, so badging, inserts, it looks lovely from the front. You've got these new dynamic lights. Big option, 22-inch SV Bespoke wheels, two-tone they are, so you've got a matte finish, and then the inside spokes are in gloss black. You've then got the black calipers, little mud flaps added there. On the bonnet vents and on the wings, they're all done in black with having the black pack. On top of that, it's got the sliding sunroof as well. It looks absolutely superb. You've got these new LED lights at the back, and if you look there, the big difference with the car being the 440, how sporty does it look from the back? So you've got the big exhaust, this big dynamic diffuser at the back. It's also got an electric deployable tow bar, so you've got this extra section which tucks that tow bar out the way. I'll show you that later in the video. So it's the 440e hybrid, but it's the extras, the 22s, the black pack, the Santorini, and then that interior. Moving on inside. So we've got memory seats, we've got Meridian speaker system, you've got the 20-way heated seats, you've got that beautiful centre section, you've got that Alcantara roof lining with the sliding sunroof. It makes such a big difference. Right, let's just do this. Digital cockpit, leather steering wheel, which is heated, and adaptive cruise. You can see there you've got your map on there, so you've got your digital cockpit, which is all in your Google Maps. Moving to the 13.1-inch Privy Pro screen in the middle, you can see there you've got your EV range and your fuel range. You can set that to whatever you'd like on your main menu. Into here, you've got, just show you some of the features. You've got your heated seats, driver and passenger, but these seats are 20 way, so they've got lots of different options on the lumbar, so bolsters, cushions, very, very comfortable seats. Full surround camera system and 3D. You've also got towing assist there with the car having the deployable tow bar. Back into the main menu, you've got Android Auto, you've got wireless Apple CarPlay, you can pop your phone under there, and you've got wireless charging as well. You've then got Alexa, Park Assist. Now that's been paid for as an optional extra, so you can press the button for Park Assist, park in, park past a bay, empty bay, press the Park Assist on, and the car will reverse itself. Big one, Alcantara suede roof lining, which is lovely. And it's nice that it's ebony as well, so you've got the black leather and then the ebony Alcantara roof lining. Tilt and slide sunroof, press the button, and then you've got that sliding sunroof. The car's lovely, great spec, fantastic engine, and we've priced it tremendously well for a 440e hybrid. In the back, you've got rear heated seats, rear electric seats, and you've also got the cabin lighting on the door cards there as well. I'm just going to pop the boot, show you inside the boot. Huge boot space, electric tailgate. You don't lose any boot space either. You've then got your charging cable there, and then if I press this button, very expensive option. If you're trying to fit an electric deployable tow bar aftermarket, it's so expensive. Look at that, press the button, it's tucked away. It looks superb from the back. 440e, hybrid, 23 plate, but with massive options, priced on the money to sell. Give me a call, get the car reserved. Thank you for watching.